Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. And yeah, can you hear me okay, or is the not clear?
Yeah, clear. Voice is clear. My voice is clear, sir.
Yes, great.
Yeah.
And if you don't mind, can you and explain your code,
Yeah, sure.
the assignment?
So this is my assignment. So starting from start, may I start,
Yeah,
sir?
I can't see your screen. Yeah, start share your screen and
Okay.
show explain the
Okay.
code.
My screen is visible or not, sir?
Yes, yeah, I can see your screen.
Yeah. So this is the assignment. You can hear me, sir?
Yes, yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Explain
Okay.
your
Okay.
code.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. So first of all, this is a abstract class loan event. This is an abstract class representing different events related to a loan or EMI calculator app. Now there is a calculate repayment class. This is a specific event that takes inputs like amount, tenure, and interest rate. There is a constructor for this final amount, tenure, rate. There is a constructor. So now here is loan state is an immutable class represent the current state of the app. So now go. So now here is the loan block. Here is the loan block. Manage the logic of calculating. You can see here. Here is a here is a some logic. So basically, this loan block managing all calculating logic here.
Okay.
Okay. So here is home page. I'm using just three text field and text editing controller. First one is amount controller, second one is tenure controller, and third one is rate controller. And after this, I'm returning a scaffold. And first of all, there is a title of a loan calculator, and after this, there is a body. I'm using single child scroll view because of there is a lot of text field, so it's rendering. For this, I use single child scroll view. For just clarity, I will show you. Can I run the app, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see there is a loan amount. You can see my app, sir.
No, I can only see the Visual Studio code.
Okay, okay. I'll share with you. Totally screen share with you. Now visible, sir?
Yes, yeah. Now I can see the app.
Yeah, better. So there is a, if I remove, first of all, I will run the app. Now I run. Just wait few seconds. It's a just simple loan calculator app, and there is nothing more. Here is a elevated button I used for calculate. When I press this calculate button, it will take loan amount, tenure in years, interest rate in percentage. Then it will all calculate using this loan block and map event to state or loan block. Here is the Are you understanding my language, sir? Because of my English language is not my
Yeah,
English.
that's okay. Yeah,
That's
continue.
okay. My English speaking
I'm
is
back.
good. I'm learning currently. I'm learning using online resources.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So this is the app. When I click this, then when keyboard is up, there is a rendering issue. So I wrap it as single child scroll view. I didn't give this any scrollable direction because of just my purpose is just remove, you can say my purpose is just remove rendering issue. If I will remove this single child scroll view, then wait a second, when I remove this widget and now click this, wait a sec, I think the rendering issue is solved. But when I developing this, when I building this application, then I got rendering issue. So I wrap with this single child scroll view. Now it's good without single child scroll view. But I used, if I want to, if I want to edit some, if I want to edit some more text field or more container widget, yeah, more text, then it will show rendering issue. So I use single short scroll view for that. So this is my assignment, and I explained my all. If you want to know something about this, so tell me.
Okay, yeah, that's very good. And how did you learn Flutter? How did you get into Flutter?
First of all, I telling my journey. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I didn't introduce myself. So my name is Lincoln Kumar. I'm from Bihar. I'm graduated BA in BA Economics. I am not from any technical background. So, but I am interested from since childhood in tech. So I came to Lucknow just for learning app development course. So there is a lot of coachings whose pay much more money for taught me app development. So I have no much money for that. So I taking a my friend's brother-in-law. So he tell me that don't pay, just learn from using internet, using online resources, YouTube, Udemy. There is a lot of, or if you want to learn app development, then you why don't go with Flutter. So I asked him what is Flutter. So he tell me ki Flutter is cross platform development. So it using that language and platform, it developed for cross platform like Android, iOS or web, and Mac also, web for and desktop. So I curious about that. Then he give me a playlist of Flutter from YouTube. Then I started to learn and I enjoying it. So I continue doing that. Uh, but in I am after sometimes I quit it because of some personal issues. So after 3 months I started again and learning from internet. I did a course from Udemy, Flutter, or and that. So that's the journey for starting the Flutter. I know I do not explain in very good language, but if you can
Yeah, no, it's okay.
understand me,
Yeah, I
then
can understand. Right, that's good.
because of
Uh,
my background is not technical, and my background is not for a good family and a good wealthy family. So I, for this reason, lack of knowledge English.
No, that's okay. Totally understandable. And you're speaking good, and I appreciate that.
Thank you.
And
First of all, I
yeah,
want to know something about you, sir. What's your name, sir?
Nikhil.
Nikhil. And where are from
Yeah,
you, sir?
Hyderabad.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So before Flutter, were you doing? I mean, did you learn any other technology?
Before Flutter, I do not learn any matlab, means I do not learn any coding language, but I know about them. I know about them. Sorry for interrupting.
Yep.
Before Flutter, I know about them. I watch some videos from YouTube, and I have no laptop. I have no any stuff for that. So I learn something, some Python or HTML, CSS, or some this kind of language in my phone. Because of HTML, CSS, or Python is
You're.
also run in phone easily.
I see. Okay. Now, do you have laptop?
Now, yes. Now I have laptop. You can, as you can see, I am running VS Code. I am calling on Zoom with you.
Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah. Just want to
Yeah,
confirm. And that's nice. Okay. Any other project that you like to show
yeah.
that you worked on?
I work, I worked, but just using. I'm doing some front end project because of I'm just started. So I will show you my some Flutter projects. There is a lot of I'm doing recently API practice, but I show you my best, which so I did this project. This is Blinkit clone. I'm just for fun. I'm doing this.
Okay.
Okay, so it's taking little bit more time, sir. Sorry for that.
So you finished your BA in
Economics.
2023. From then, right, economics.
Yeah.
And after that, what were you doing?
I'm preparing for government exam, but
Okay.
but I didn't like that. But in family pressure, I prepared for government exam and I doing that, but not interested. I correct
Okay.
some exams, but from point 0.5 or 1 marks, right? So the project is open now. This is Blinkit app, just for
Yeah,
just I
looks
cloned this
very good.
because of when I open Blinkit app, I see this search bar. There is a page builder or text animation. So I'm curious about that. How can we do that with Flutter? So I am started this, and I'm currently make this app, and I see this. Yeah, this is possible in Flutter. So I about curious only that search bar for. So I did this project,
Yeah.
but there is a something. I when I clicked on this location tab, location, there is a bottom sheet open, and there is a search text field and current location, and Zomato import from Zomato like Blinkit. When I clicked profile, there is a profile page opening. It just UI. When I clicked back, go to home page, or nothing else in this project.
Okay. Yeah, looks very good actually. Pretty.
Thank you. And I have a more project. I have one more, which is weather app, which is weather app. I'm just using in weather app REST APIs called from open weather website.
Okay.
Sorry for that, sir.
Oh,
Currently, I'm learning state management, but I'm confused about that which state management I want to start. Somebody says start block, somebody says start provider, somebody says start river port, somebody says start gatex, and I started with doing gatex because of it's easy to use, and I know about that. I think about that. I think about that. When we start with easy, I will learn state management. Then it will be easy to learn other state management. I think about that.
right. So in the calculator loan calculator project, you used GetX or
I used block,
block or
but honestly, I'm telling you, I don't know any. I mentioned in project when I submitting project, I mentioned you. I don't know more about block or more about any state management. I'm just helping from internet, helping from you can say AI for this because of I understand the code, but I didn't. I don't know how to use block. I just understand the code. I just remove the error. So look at this. There is I use API, and looking like this. When I refresh, there will be refresh my app and just nothing else in this. Plus, I just for practicing my API knowledge, I did this, and when I will change. There is a location. Just give me a minute. So when I change, there is city names. Sorry for that. When I change their city names, then so there is just I want enter a specific city name. Then in my app showing there's weather. It's just for practicing API. I'm not making full-fledged weather app. I'm just fetch data from API.
Yeah.
I want to know about that. I want to know about that how API works.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, that looks good. Practicing and testing.
Yo, sir. Yeah, that's our.
Yeah, right. That's very interesting. All the projects you have created,
Yeah.
loan calculator
Yeah.
and Blinkit and the weather application. So,
Mm.
little bit about our company. We are a small startup working on some education products.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we work on different technologies like Python, artificial intelligence, or machine language, machine learning for back-end work. And for the middleware API stuff, we use Node.js, MongoDB, and that.
Mm.
And front end, we are creating applications for teachers, parents in Flutter. So
Yeah.
that's where we are looking for a team to grow.
Yeah.
And so we are mostly working with interns, different kinds of work basically, and some people come to office and some people work remotely. Some people come twice a day to off twice a week to office. Rest of the time they work remotely. So it is flexible. If you want to work remotely initially, maybe a month or two, we can try that. You can work remotely, and our team can send you few tasks which for which you will get paid after completing the task. Mostly the payment will be like freelance work payment in terms of like before you will see what tasks we have, and you can pick which task you like to work on, and you will know how much you will get paid after completing the task. So if you're not comfortable with a certain task, you don't need to pick the task. Yeah, you can look for another task. That way you can train on it. You can learn from it. You can talk to our team if you have any questions, and they can help you learn and grow out of it. So if you're interested, otherwise, and I mean, it's flexible, so you can prepare for your government exams, and when you have some free time, you can work on these tasks. There is, you can work more time or you can work less time. Not much deadlines or not much pressure on you need to finish this particular task. In a day or two or something like that. So it is very flexible in that sense. And so yeah, otherwise it's pretty much like internship. You will get an offer letter and you will get a certificate and letter of recommendation after internship period.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll send you more details. Look into it and think about it. And if you're interested, we will chat more on it. So I'll do one thing. I'll after this interview, after this meeting, I will send you my WhatsApp number, and I'll send you more details about this program. And if you have any questions, we can chat over there.
Yeah. So first of all, I'm tell I want to tell you something. I'm interested, and I will work with you full time because of I'm not preparing any government job. I'm doing full time as a Flutter developer, and I want to do. I want to be a full stack Flutter developer. So I will work with you full time with Flutter, and I will, if you agree, then I will work remotely because of instant. I will not relocate on Hyderabad. So I will work remotely, and time to time I will try to relocate.
Okay, yeah, yeah, that will work for us too, and it's okay if you try for other jobs also. So
No, 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 no.
don't stop
I'm
looking.
currently my purpose is I will do only Flutter. So I quit all things and I focus only for Flutter.
Okay, good. Yeah, we will. So we'll work for we'll work on it. What I'm saying is, in the meanwhile, if you get some other job from a different company in Flutter, please also consider that. We are encouraging students and interns to do that also. So that's not a nothing negative for us for our company. So
Yeah.
if you find a better opportunity, feel free to look for those opportunities and pick those opportunities also. So
Yeah.
not a problem at all.
Okay.
I like to
But
encourage more people to join our company, and rather than just sticking for a few people, I like to have people rotating, and that way I can give opportunity to more people, and people can learn from our products and our company. So if you are interested in our work, and if you once you look at our work, and if you are interested, we are happy to have you for how much ever long you want. So that's not a problem at all, as long as you are able to complete the tasks. So I just wanted to put it out. You are always. We always welcome you to try better opportunities, and nothing negative. So
okay.
cool. So I'll do one thing, and I'll send you my WhatsApp number after this call,
Okay.
and I will I'll send you few tasks. We can work on them from tomorrow.
So what I think, and my interview is over and I'm selected.
Yes, yeah, I'll send you more details after this call.
Okay.
Mostly, yeah, we will send you few tasks, and depending on when you complete the tasks, you will get paid for those tasks.
Okay.
So it will be like a
It's like
paid,
as a freelance.
yeah, like paid internship. Also, you'll get offer letter and you'll get certificate and that stuff.
Okay,
Just
okay,
payment is like freelance stuff.
okay, okay. So I will paid when I complete the project.
Yeah, small tasks, not the whole project. You will get paid
Yeah,
for
yeah, small
each
task.
task.
Yeah, yeah. So when I complete the task, I will paid.
Right. Yeah, we usually pay on the first of a month. So, like, if you do some tasks, we will send you uh, maybe like, yeah, June 1st, basically like a monthly task, rather than paying every time. We will you'll send us an invoice for all the tasks you worked on, and we will pay on the first of the month.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm interested and I want to start.
Cool. That's good to hear. So yeah, it was very nice talking to you, and I'll send
Thank you.
you my WhatsApp number.
You
Thank
too,
you.
sir.
Good night, Lincoln.
Thanks for your time, sir. Good
No
night,
problem.
sir.
Thank you. Bye. Good
Bye bye.
night.